Where are you going?
Hey everyone, it's Sky here. If you're new to my channel, a big hello, and if you are a usual at my channel, we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Hopefully you guys will enjoy. I think it will be pretty interesting. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be reviewing a YumeTwins box. So basically what this is, it's a Kawaii themed subscription box. So you subscribe to it monthly. You can do just monthly payments, 3-month payments, 6 months, or a year payments, I believe. I will have a link in the description below for you guys to check out. It is an affiliate link, so basically if you use that link and make a purchase through it, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you guys. So if you use my link, it's going to cost the same price as if you just went to YumeTwins.com. All of the information is within that link. It brings you to their whole website so you can check things out. So they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review this on my channel, and I thought it would be pretty cool. It's not completely coloring related, which is mostly what my channel focuses on, but I thought it would be pretty interesting, and even as a colorist, I could find some good use out of the things in this box, which is another thing. I did speak throughout the video, but my camera seems to focus on background noise like crinkling, plastic, and boxes opening and stuff, so my voice was kind of cutting in and out, so we're just going to do a voiceover and hope for the best. So first I'm going to have to move this precious sleeping baby here. That is my little Miko. I am obsessed with Disney. I've got 3 cats. My older 2, the oldest is Lilo, the middle one is Stitch, and then I've got Miko. So of course Lilo and Stitch, and then a little bit of Pocahontas action going in there. So my first impression of the box is that this is super cute. I love the colors, I love the kawaii characters all over it, and I really love how they just had this plastic insert attached to the box to put my address in, so I didn't have to rip that off or black it out or anything. I just opened that plastic insert up, took my address out, and that was that. I didn't have to ruin the box. One thing, a lot of this stuff is hard to read because this comes straight from Japan. So I am not fluent in Japanese. I cannot read it, cannot speak it. It is pretty cool to look at, I must say, but yeah, it's a little bit tricky. Thankfully, they do have a card in there with information about everything in the box that you can read that is in English, thankfully. But it's pretty cool to have some authentic Japan stuff, so I thought that was pretty neat. So the box comes just like this. This is how it was mailed to me. I really love that. And this is the July 2019 box, which the theme for this is pool party. So I thought that was pretty cool. This pamphlet has a whole bunch of information and whatnot. And then we dive straight into the box contents. So this first thing is a fan. It has a mister attached to it. It is not battery powered, which is pretty awesome, so you can use it wherever. No batteries necessary, just hand power, and it does have a little bottle to put some water in, and it does mist as well. I do show later on in the video that there is an on-off switch on the side that seems to only work half the time. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. I don't think it's a huge issue. I think it's supposed to be just for the spray, but it could be for the entire fan itself. I don't know. But either way, this is pretty cool. I actually gave this to my 5-year-old and he loves it. I thought with this clasp, you can attach it around your neck, which is pretty cool. And let me tell you, that thing is not going to come off your neck unless you really want it to, because that clasp was so hard to get off. So this next item, at first I had no idea what it was. I obviously recognized right away that that is Kirby. I love Kirby. We have a little Nintendo player that we play Kirby on, me and my little one, and so much fun. So this is actually a Kirby ball or balloon, however you want to say it. It's more sturdy, so I want to say it's more like a ball. And it's got one of those elastic bits, so it's kind of like a paddle ball in a way. I'll show a clip playing around with it later on so you can see. Next is just this little pouch, which I thought was pretty cool. I cannot explain the material that this is made of, but it is so soft. I love it. And not sure who the characters are on it. Again, I'm not really hardcore into like kawaii and anime stuff, so I can read what it says there, but I'd probably say it wrong. But yeah, I really like this. I do wish it was a little bit longer because for me being a colorist, this would have been totally cute to have some pencil extenders, colorless blenders, stuff like that. But I can still fit an eraser in there, some sharpeners, and just some other smaller coloring bits. I know those of you that are here just for the box and don't really follow coloring have no idea what I'm talking about. I apologize. Next we have a keychain, and I got a Hello Kitty one, which I love. I absolutely love Hello Kitty. My mom got me this Hello Kitty Easter basket from Walmart. I don't even know how many years back, and it's just like, it's this big metal tub, and I actually loved it so much that I turned it into a garbage can, and it is still in my art room. So yes, love me some Hello Kitty. I will say that I am a little bit disappointed because the Hello Kitty charm broke off literally the first day of using it. I put it on my wallet, and yeah, first day of using it, it broke off. So I wasn't too happy with that. Of course, most keychains are very, not very stable for sure. There we have some sticky notes, which is awesome. I love sticky notes. And then the last thing we have, I was super interested about this because I love Sailor Moon. I used to watch it religiously when I was younger. I have quite a few Sailor Moon drawings in some of my earlier sketchbooks and stuff. So what this basically is, it's a container that has a gem-like illusion to it. The plastic is really sturdy. It is beautiful. I love it. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to use this for. I was thinking either my pencil shavings, which I do put my pencil shavings in it later on. I know you non-colorists are probably like, that's so weird. Why do you do that? I don't know. I'm just too lazy to dump it in the garbage all the time. And my cats eat pencil shavings, so I thought this was perfect because it has a lid. I might use it later on for cotton balls and stuff like that for nail art and such, but I don't know. For now, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it, but I am really happy with it. So here is a closer look at the pamphlet, and here we've got some information for things. It shows everything that came in the box, including different versions of each item that you could possibly get. So there's 2 different versions of the hand fan that you could get. The other one had this cute little character on it. I love the colors of the other one, but I'm definitely not going to complain because mine is Hello Kitty. The Sailor Moon jar came in pink and purple. Honestly, I'm happy with the purple. If they had a blue one, I would be upset if I didn't get the blue one, but between pink and purple, I'm happy either way. Again, that jar is just so cute. So next we have, I'm going to try to say this, but I'm probably going to butcher it, Gudetama sticky notes. Those of you that actually know these characters, if I said that right, let me know. If I said it wrong, you can still let me know. Definitely happy with those. Not quite sure who the characters are, but I can never have enough sticky notes, so I'm definitely not going to complain. The Kawaii character pouch, they show 5 different ones, but they actually didn't have the one that I got on there, so I'm wondering if there was actually more than that. But either way, I'm still happy with the one I got, although I am eyeing that Hello Kitty one, and I would have loved that one too. But I definitely won't complain. And then the last thing is the keychain and strap, which again, mine ended up breaking. I was pretty sad, but yeah, they're usually never very durable, so not going to complain too much about that, especially since it was the smallest item in the box. And then here's just a little bit more information about the YumeTwins, and we've got some fan art and other stuff. And yeah, so this box costs $35 a month US. So for me being in Canada, it would probably equal closer to about $40. Not quite sure on the conversions there. If you order more months at once, like subscribe to 3 months, 6 months, and whatnot, you do get a little bit of a discount. Of course, the best discount being if you subscribe for a whole year. But it is nice that you can get it just for a month, just to kind of test it out and see what you think about it. It's pretty cool. For me, I personally would not be able to afford this. I've got a 5-year-old, we've got house payments. I just don't have that much disposable income to put into something like this, especially when you're not really sure if you're going to love everything in it. I do think that if you do have the income to kind of put a little bit towards something like this, it would be awesome if you have a kid, because the hand fan I gave to my little one and the Kirby ball I also gave to him, and he absolutely loves them. Everything else I kept for myself, and I did find a use for it. I'm very happy with it, so not going to complain too much. When YumeTwins reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review this box, I instantly went to YouTube and I started looking up other reviews of it, and I noticed that a lot of people weren't very happy with them theme-wise, because a lot of the time in the boxes, they put things in there that don't really make sense with the theme. In regards to this theme, I feel like they did really good. I think there's only 2 things that I don't really think fits, and that is the Tinkerbell jar, just because I don't think I'd really take that to a pool party. I don't really know what I would put in it. Yeah, and then the other thing is the sticky notes. Again, not really sure what I'd use that for. The fan and the Kirby ball, obviously really good pool party or even beach party things. The keychain can go on a backpack holding swimwear and that kind of thing, or like a purse. And then, of course, the little pouch can hold hair accessories, or, you know, I just thought like hair bands or bobby pins, that kind of thing, which would be nice to just kind of throw in your bag and have access to. So I feel like this box, I can't speak about the other ones, but I feel like in this box, they definitely hit the theme pretty good. I'm not going to complain. So if I was going to subscribe to them, I would be pretty happy, I think, if most of the boxes were like this. I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, feel free to check out their website. You can either use the link down below or go to YumeTwins.com. It's YumeTwins.com. Yeah, take care. Bye.